You ever sit there, 14 tabs open, half-eaten junk food on your desk, phone in one hand, existential dread in the other, and think, how did my brain get this fucked? This isn't laziness, it's a hijacked mind, and it's time to unfuck it. Step 1. Regain attention. Dopamine detox. Your attention is currency, and you're spending it like you've got infinite supply. Every scroll, every swipe is a transaction, but you're not the one profiting. Delete the apps, turn your phone off, leave it in another room. Go 24 hours without it. See how fast your hands start to itch. That's not boredom, that's withdrawal. Let yourself feel bored, let your brain slow down. That silence, it's not empty, it's where your real thoughts live. The ability to direct your attention, that's your first superpower. Step 2. Separate impulse from identity. You are not your cravings. You are not the urge to scroll. You're not the voice that says, "I quit." Thoughts are not facts. They're just noise. So when one appears, don't react, don't panic, just observe. Watch it rise, watch it pass, like a cloud. The gap between stimulus and response, that's where your power lives. And the wider that gap gets, the more dangerous you become. In the best way. Step 3. Align with long-term consequences. Every action is a vote for the person you're becoming. You want control? Stop living for stimulation. Live for structure, discipline, direction. Choose study over scroll, silence over noise, action over delay. Most people drift through life, mistaking chaos for freedom. But the ones who control their minds, they control their time, their choices, their future. They stop existing and start living. You don't need more time. You need fewer excuses. Unfuck your mind, reclaim your focus, and become the person you were meant to be. If this helped you unfuck your focus, then you need to watch this next. Your transformation has already begun. Now finish what you started.